Hey, James Costello here, NorCal Mechanical. Thanks for coming back and taking a look at the video. So today we're here to talk about filtration. Filtration is probably the #1 item in regards to what a homeowner can do to take care of their system. But probably the #1 item that will actually help maintain the system and keep its longevity for as long as possible. Believe it or not, most service calls and failures are due to lack of airflow, poor filtration, or non-maintained filtration, which has done damage onto the system in the future. So today we're taking a look at what is called a filter media. This is actually a 4-inch pleated filter media. This is actually for Carrier's air purifier system. Really great electronic air cleaner system. Highly recommended for anyone with mold, mildew, allergy issues, asthma, heart conditions, really need well filtrated air. This is the system you want to take a look at. It's a little costly, but it's recommended for folks who have ailments and air quality is a big issue. The usual system that you're going to find, or filtration system you're going to find in a home, is this guy, and this is the 1-inch pleated filter. It's a really great filter system as long as it's taken care of. I don't know if you can see that, but this one has not been maintained for quite some time. Typically, when we install them, they look a little more like that. You can see the pleats, you can see the cross-hatching, you can see the support system, you can see everything that holds this filter together. Here, it looks like there's a cat attached to the filter. Anyhow, this filtration, when we're talking about filtration in your home system, if we don't maintain this filtration system, our filters no longer start to collect it. They either allow it to go by, it allows the filters to get sucked into the system, or if we don't even have a filter in our system, we're allowing all of this debris that you see collected on this filter and on this filter, you're allowing it to actually be redistributed into your air, into your home, back into your breathing, back into your lungs, back into your children's lungs, and back onto your clothes, everything. So we're not getting any filtration system when we don't maintain that filter. It is hugely important to the system, to the health of the system, to the health of you. This plays a big part in keeping your system online. If you have any more questions, feel free to come back, take a look at the next video that is attached to this, and we're going to show you how we took care of particularly this system here, where we cleaned out an electronic air cleaner and we did a maintenance on a propane high efficiency modulating Carrier furnace. Really great system, really well filtered, has been taken care of really well, and the system works really well. Alright, thank you. Look forward to seeing you guys again soon. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call here at NorCal Mechanical. We're here in San Jose, California, 408-333-9700. Thank you.